Hello, my dear students of class 6 English medium. Today I am discussing the major elements of weather and climate. And the first thing which is very important is air temperature. Only one of 20 billion parts of the energy from the sun reaches the earth. This is very important. Only one of 20 billion parts of the energy. So the total energy from 20 billion parts of energy from the sun reaches the earth. This energy from the sun is known as the insolation or incoming solar radiation. So this energy comes from the sun to the earth is known as insolation or incoming solar radiation. If you look at the picture of the page number 46 of your textbook, there you will find that 100% incoming solar radiation. So this energy is 100% incoming solar radiation. So this energy from the sun is in insolation or incoming solar radiation. So incoming solar radiation is 100%. Only 51 of the insolation, out of 100, only 51 of the insolation heats up the earth's surface. Okay, only 51 of the insolation heats up the earth's surface. So it is called the effective solar radiation. And 35 of the remaining is reflected back from the cloud, dust and water vapor. So this is called albedo. And 14% of the incoming solar radiation absorbed by gases, water vapor and dust particles. So out of 100, 51% of the insolation hits up the earth's surface. So the remaining 49% is divided into two, 35% and 14%. 35% reflected back from clouds, dust and water vapor. So this is called albedo. And 14% is absorbed by gases. When incoming solar radiation is absorbed by gases, water vapor, dust particles. Clear? So this is 35% which is reflected back from the cloud, dust and water vapor is called albedo. And 14% is absorbed by the different gases, water vapor and dust particles in the atmosphere. And 1% of the heat that reaches the earth's surface from the incoming solar radiation is entirely reflected back at night. So it comes in the daytime and it also reflected back at night. So this is known as the terrestrial radiation. So 51% is basically called terrestrial radiation. That is the heat that gets reflected back from the earth at night. The heat that gets reflected back from the earth at night. The atmosphere is not heated directly by the rays of the sun. So terrestrial radiation, 51% terrestrial radiation. It is divided into two, 34% and 17%. 34% is absorbed by the gases, water vapor and dust particles, and 17% out of 51%, 34% is absorbed by the gases, water vapors and dust particles, and 17% and the remaining 17% is heat. The heat comes from the Earth atmosphere surface is set reflected back into the space, which is reflected back into the space. This is actually the total diagram of the air temperature. This is very important, and you have to actually you have to understand the total diagram through the picture. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.